Please rise, kindly remove all hats as we celebrate the service of all U.S. military veterans and honor them for their patriotism, love of country, and willingness to support and defend this great nation on behalf of all. In honor of all those who have served this nation in uniform, with special recognition of the commemoration of the 50th anniversary of the Vietnam War, we reflect upon the sacrifices of a generation of Vietnam veterans.
For the land of the
Ladies and gentlemen, at this time we ask all veterans to stand and be recognized. Boeing and the Chicago Blackhawks would like to recognize all of the brave men and women who have served our country in the armed forces. Thank you all for your service.